So, today we're going to be speaking about the unpredictability of the markets. We're not necessarily going to do any technical analysis. We're not going to look into the profits. We're not going to look into any of that. I was trading today, however, I'm going to go into a different topic, something dealing with psychology. So, the markets are unpredictable. You really don't know what's going to happen, the direction that the price is going to head in. You don't know anything. The market could go up, it could go down, it could be bullish, it could be bearish, there could be news that affects the price. It could be something that happens. Anything can affect the price. So it is unpredictable. However, there are little cues that might direct us into which way the market is moving. So let's look at what we have on our screen right now. We have Tesla in chart number 1, Netflix chart number 2, the S&P chart 3, and AMD chart 4. We're going to be looking at Tesla. Tesla just released some news that they're going to be creating their batteries in the United States. So it could be a reason why the price has jumped today. So as we can see today, the price for Tesla jumped from 197 to about high of the day of 206, which is about a $10 increase, which is great for people who want to buy calls. But at the beginning of the day, when the price was 198 or 197, did we know that it would go all the way up to 206? And the time right now is currently 1:46 Eastern Standard Time. Do we know which way or what the market is going to do now? No. So it's unpredictable in that sense. However, we do have many things that can help us identify which movement or how the price is going to move. So if we look at Tesla over here, we see that it's in the blue. We see that it's crossing our line. We see that it's going up. However, it does touch our line a few times. And this could be an area where somebody closes the trade, exits the trade with their profits, and moves forward. Keep in mind that if you exit a trade and move forward, you can always re-enter. A big topic, and we'll get into this in another video, a big topic is that people don't let their winners run. So let's say you got into a trade over here. You made one trade, and you got out over here because you thought that it would turn around. You're not out of luck. That's not the end of the day. You can always re-enter, but you'll have to look at many factors. Take, for example, I did that today. I re-entered right around here, and I exited around here, and then I realized that it broke the high of the day at that time, which was 201 at 10:55 a.m., and it broke that around 11:30, and I held on to it, and I did the same over here, and I did the same over here. And as soon as I realized that it broke right over here, the higher low, I sold, and I haven't gotten into a trade. And as we can see over here right now, the market is a little bit stagnant. It's in consolidation. So with that in mind, we don't know where the market is going. All we can do is learn how to understand the movement of the market. So over here, price goes up, and then this could be an exit area for many people, because they might think that the market is going to turn around and it's going to go back down because it went pretty high today. But no, the market decided to go higher. So now the re-entry point could be right around here because it broke the high of the day and it went even higher. So I'm pretty sure that, well, right now it's about 2 o'clock. The market might stay in consolidation or in this period of stagnation for the next couple of hours. If that's the case, I wouldn't enter into a trade. But let's say it breaks this level right around here where my mouse is, or it breaks this level. I might enter into a put or a call. I'll be more likely to enter into a call knowing that the market is bullish as of the moment. So I'm less likely to enter into a put in a bullish trend. Now anybody can. I mean, over here would be a great area to enter into a put and profit over here, and as soon as you see that it's turning around, you close out of the trade with a small profit. But I'll be less likely to enter into this put just because I'm in a bullish trend. But I still can if I wanted to, and if I developed that intuition and feel for the market. Now, as we can see, the price is going up, and I'm pretty sure it might touch this area, or it might just stay over here, go back down. But what we're looking for is a break from in the support and resistance. So we want it to break either up or down, and a good trader will know how to capitalize on those breaks. So that is Tesla, and that's what I was looking at today. Now, keep in mind that it's usually a good idea not to overtrade, not to enter into many trades, especially if you don't have an account where you can day trade. If you have an account under $25,000, that is a cash account, then day trading might not be the best idea, taking into consideration that you don't have that much cash to trade with when it comes to placing option trades. With a 2x margin account, you might have $50,000 to play around with and it's settled. Depending on your broker, it settles instantly. And if that makes no sense to you, then we can go over it in our program that we have, and in our trading room, and in our mentorship program. But that being said, I'm going to post some profits of what we did today. And like I said, the day is still not over. It's only 1:52 Eastern Standard Time. There's still 2 hours left in the market. It's a Friday, and we're going to see what happens at the end of the day. So, to wrap things up, dealing with uncertainty. These are all emotions that you have to deal with. It requires mindfulness and being okay to lose a little bit, and being okay with re-entering into a trade, because you really don't know what's going to happen. So you have to watch the charts and make sure that if it doesn't go the way that you wanted it to go, then cut your losses quickly. And if it does, then hold on to them until a breakthrough, or until the right moment where you can close out of that trade. And when you're in a trade or while you're trading, don't get up, don't go to the bathroom, don't make yourself some food. You have to be prepared. So have a glass of water, make sure you go to the bathroom before. Keep your eyes on the chart, because things can happen quickly, and if you're gone for 10 to 15 minutes, that can be some big moves in that time period. So that's it for the day. Unpredictability and the markets.